Hey everyone, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. You're probably looking at this going, what in the heck is that? This is a latch hook kit. I saw this kit in, I think it was Joann's. It was actually around, it was between Halloween and Christmas. Adam and I were out and about and we went into Joann's and I was like, I used to latch hook kit with my grandmother when I was very young, like 30 plus years ago. And I really enjoyed it. And my grandmother really enjoyed it. She did these massive, huge latch hook pieces. So this is kind of a childhood memory for me. So I wanted to get a small kit, try it, see what I thought. And I figured, why not take this journey with all of you on the channel? So I hope all of you are having a great day today. And we are going to do this. Now, this latch hook kit did not come with the actual latch hooks. So, and I found that out after the fact, even though it says right here, tools sold separately. Yeah, I didn't pay attention. So I went on Amazon and got some basic latch hooks. They weren't very expensive. I want to say they were under $10 for 2 of these. So we're just going to take one out and we're going to use that one today. So let me know in the comments below how many of you have done latch hook before, or do you still do it? What do you think? All of that good stuff. All right, so this is a color legend. I don't know if I'm supposed to show you the actual chart. Okay, how to latch hook. Yes, I definitely need those directions. Okay. Sorting the colors. No, like how to latch hook. Here we go. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to get. Okay. So, all right. Well, we'll go over the directions in a little bit. Okay. So it looks like you get your pre-cut yarn, and they're just short pieces of yarn. You can see that short pieces of yarn in all of the colors that you need for this kit. And it looks like I got four of these. So we have four of those. Okay. And then it looks like this is your canvas. All right, nothing else in the box. And that is what it's supposed to look like when it's finished, a little bumblebee. This made me think of Bev. When I saw the bee, I was like, oh, this is so cute. So, made me think of Bev bee. All right. This is a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, which equates to a 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Okay. All right. Oh, no. You know what? This does not have the image on it. Oh, my goodness. Oh no, this doesn't have the image on it, you guys. Oh, so this is going to be like cross stitch because you're going to have to count. Oh boy. Oh boy, hold on. All right, hold on. All right, real quick, I'm just going to show you and then I'm going to boop. See, like that? Okay. So it does. All right. So if we start in the bottom, but this is longer than 12 by 12. Like this canvas is longer than 12 by 12. All right, hold on. I'm trying to think here. So hold on. I know, all of y'all are probably down at the bottom like, do this. Okay, so masking tape. Okay, so I need to tape it down to the desk, but the problem is I have it on my pad, so I'm not going to be able to do that. Oh, just to cover the edges. I see. Right. Same with needlepoint. Okay. Okay, so it tells me what the color here. Okay. sorting the colors. So it tells me cream, vanilla, gold, white. Yeah, okay. I gotcha. Okay. Sort your yarn into divided container like a muffin tray. Tape one strand of yarn next to each other in the color legend. This step is very important and also ensures you have matched the correct yarn with the correct color on the chart. If you are unsure of a color, compare the number of strands you have to the number of strands listed next to each color. Okay. All right, so how do you, hold on, I'm reading. Y'all, this is a hot mess. This is a hot mess. Okay. Color legend shows the yarn color and symbol. All right, start your design at the intersecting blue lines closest to the bottom left corner. The intersecting blue line. So that would be right here, I would think, where they intersect. That's what it's saying. Yeah, okay, so it says right here. So this one, right there, where my finger is. That's where it says to start. Latch the first strand of yarn using the color shown. Okay. Continue the row, working from left to right. Follow each symbol on the design chart. When the row is complete, start your next row on the left side directly above your first knot and repeat the same process. Okay. All right. How to latch hook. Okay. Okay, so wait, bottom left corner. So that's going to be what color? The dot, which is the dusty blue. Well, how do I know which one's the dusty blue? I guess it's the lighter blue. Yeah. Okay. Ugh, y'all. All right, so we're gonna take some of these strands out. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna zoom in so that y'all can see this. Okay. Okay, so how to latch hook. Here we go. All right, let me move all this. Y'all, this is a learning experience for me. So, all right, so we've got our directions, and we've got our latch hook that doesn't want to stay up. Okay. Wrap the yarn around the tool below the latch. Okay. Why does that not want to stay up? Do I have a faulty latch? All right, so we're supposed to wrap it like this. Keeping it folded evenly. Okay, evenly. All right. Insert the tool through the canvas as shown. So they told me to go here, and we're working in this corner here. So we're going to go over, wait a second, over this one, but under that one. Okay. And then you're keeping, okay, so the tool goes up here, but you're keeping the yarn down here. Wait a second. Y'all, learning is hard. Learning is hard. Okay. And then place the yarn between the latch and hook and pull tool towards you to close latch. Wait a minute. Place yarn, okay. This is hard, y'all. And then, I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh, okay. I think I did it right. Yeah. There we go. Look. I did it. Tug the yarn evenly. Okay. Yeah, trying to keep these little pieces even is going to be difficult, I feel like. Okay. So we're going to do that again. I feel like this hook, though, isn't... I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So we're going to try that again. We're going to move this. I'm going to zoom in even more. Okay. So we're going to go through. Okay. I'm going to put the yarn evenly on the bottom, as evenly as I can. And then you're going to go over. Wait, is that right? Over. And then under. Yeah. All the way. Right? Yeah. And then I'll see what I'm doing. Probably not. I think that's right. Well, I feel like there's a much easier way to do this. I know. I need to mask and tape the sides and all of that. I'm just trying this out so y'all can see. All right, so let's see. Let's do this again. So we're going to put the string evenly on the hook. You're going to go, just make sure you're going to go over and then under. I know that there's probably a faster process to do this, but again, I'm just starting out. So, ooh, that one's very uneven. Okay, there we go. Okay. So now we've got three. Look like three little bows. Okay. This is kind of cool. Something different, right? Something different. Let me know down below how many of you have latch hooked before. Yeah, over, under. My problem is trying to keep the, there's got to be a faster way to do this. Trying to keep the yarn. That's kind of cool. Look, you got four. Here, let's pull another one out. Where's the one I pulled from already? I should be able to find the one I pulled from, right? I think it was this one. So wait, how far across am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to count? I am. Yikes. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well, at least go to here. Let's see. I'm so excited. Something different. Sometimes you need a break from diamond painting, you know? You go over, under, and I'm sure like the more I do this, see, this is the part I struggle with, is trying to keep the yarn right. Trying to keep the yarn together. And then trying to pull it through. Now see that one, oops, oh, I got caught there. That one seems like it's a little bit lower for some reason. Y'all, this is my OCD kicking in. And it's supposed to look like a shag rug when you're done. Like, you know, those old shag rugs. All right. So we're going to go over, under. Oh, y'all, these are sharp. Ooh, did I just cut my finger? I might have just cut my finger. Yeah, like, I feel like it should be easier to come through the thing. Is that just me, or I don't know. Oh, these aren't tight. That's why. Okay. So I'm pulling them tight. I'm sorry, I'm not saying much. I'm fixing. Yeah, the edges of these things are sharp. Where's my tape? Oh, this is a hot mess. I don't know where my tape is. Hold on. Where is my tape? I thought I had tape somewhere. Of course, the one time I moved my tape, there it is. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna take this tape, masking tape, and we're gonna tape this. Remove that. Yikes. Y'all, this is a hot mess of a video, right? Okay, that's good. Alright, so I'm just going to put it on the bottom here, and then I'm going to wrap it around. Yeah, the bottom was, turn it upside down here. And I'm just gonna, oh, is it gonna stick? I don't know. Okay, there we go. That should at least hopefully protect my finger, because that really hurt. Oh, y'all, this is a hot mess. Hot mess. But like I said, I haven't done this since I was like literally probably single digits. All right. Struggle bus. All right, so you're supposed to grab it with the hook. There we go. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over to this blue line right here, and then I'll stop. This is kind of different though. I think like the more you do it, it'll probably get easier the more you do it, right? So over, under. Or wait. Okay, so y'all can really see what I'm doing. So over, under. Oh, that one's gonna want to get in the way. And then You just grab it and pull. Oh, I see. So you don't have to really hold it. I was holding it really, really tight. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Then you just pull on them to tighten them. Okay. Oh boy. All right. So you got your yarn. We're going to go over, under. Ugh. Keeps getting caught with the other yarn. I don't know which I would like better, this or needlepoint. I don't know. I still have a needlepoint that I started and I haven't finished. My mom and I like to do needlepoint together. She actually showed me how to do it, so that was fun. Okay, so over, under, wait, over, under. I know, it's so hard to show you guys what I'm doing. And then pull it through. So there we have it. So we've got a row of latch hook. Look at that. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. So like I said, so I'm working on, I'll show you the picture. So I'm working on this light blue section right here in the left corner. So I'll do that. And then I'll work into the dark blue and then of course the yellow and the black and the white. So, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Yay. This is by Wonder Art. I'll see if I can find a link for this kit and put it in the description if I can find it. If not, I'll put a link to, hopefully I can find it on Joanne's website. Yeah. So, but just keep in mind, the hook does not come with it. So you need to get hooks like off Amazon or at, you know, while you're out and about, you need to get hooks while you're there. So yeah, definitely tape the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and tape the sides because they are sharp. They are sharp. You have to do the same thing with needlepoint as well. So I don't want to show you the design, but yeah, it shows you like how to do it. Like, hold on. Yeah, it shows you how to latch hook. So you've got all your directions right here. Yeah, that's really cool. That's really cool. So in my opinion, this is kind of like cross stitch because you're following a pattern and you do have to count your quote unquote stitches. I don't know if that's correct to say with latch hook. I don't know, but anyway, yay, we did some latch hook, you guys. All right, well, I wanted to share that struggle boss with you so that you see that's the yarn, that's your hook, that's what it's supposed to look like. Oh boy, hold on. Yeah, so that's what it's supposed to look like, a bumblebee, and that's your hook. So, yay. Sorry, glare on the lights. All right, let me know. Hot mess. Let me know down below how many of you have latch hooked before, if you like it, don't like it. Yeah, let me know. Is this something that I would do on a regular basis? Probably not. But is it something that I will do when I get a little burnout from diamond painting? Sure. Take a break. Can do latch hook for a day or two. Go back to diamond painting, that kind of thing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching me ride the struggle bus. And please hit that like button and subscribe down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Me trying new things as I find them. Let me know. I hope all of you have a great rest of your weekend, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, guys.